What's up, guys? Tonight we're having taco night. We got chorizo. I'm going to show you how we do our corn tortillas, how we heat them up and get them ready to eat. What we got, we've got a pan that we've got on medium-high heat here on the stove, and I've got a griddle over here with some oil on it. Just a little bit of oil on here. A lot of oil right here. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to drag this tortilla through the hot oil. And we're going to cook it for a second over here on this one. So you want to get just enough brown so that it's kind of cooking, but you don't want to cook them so long that they get hard and stiff. Some other tortillas that we use, of course, we got the flour tortillas, and then we have these called tostadas. They're flat corn tortillas, and what you do is you take one of your tostadas and you smear refried beans on it, and then or refried beans or guacamole, and then you sprinkle your toppings on top of that and make like a little taco pizza. Let's give this chorizo a little taste. Man, that's good stuff. I've never had any chorizo that held its texture like this. Most chorizo you get is almost like a paste. When you cook it, it turns almost into a liquid. This is still like ground beef. Hope you enjoy. Get outside the box. Eat something besides Taco Bell tortillas. These tostadas, I'm going to put down a layer of sour cream. And then some guacamole.
Wow.
That's not good.
Chorizo.
Careful up there.
Cilantro. Onion.
You gonna try that one?
Fresco.
What is?
You got lime wedge.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
It's like a little, what's those things called? A little taco pizza?
Mexican pizza.
Yeah, like a little Mexican pizza.